Welcome back, travelers. Today I'm going to teach you a trick about Priceline's express deals on their website, how to use it, but also know exactly what hotel you're going to get so you can save a ton of money and still enjoy your trip. So now you've seen a lot of my videos are about Airbnb, and though I choose to use Airbnb mostly, sometimes it's just not available at the price I like. So let's get right to it. This is how when I travel to Houston, Chicago, Dallas, I get 4- and 5-star hotels for $50 to $70 a night, and it's wonderful. So there's 3 things you need to look for when using Priceline. When you first load a screen, you're going to notice that it's got all these hotels and it's going to say mobile deal. It's normally $140 and they put a line through it and say it's only $105 or it's only $80, right? So you want to look at that $140 because that's the original price. You're going to look at what its 5-star rating is, like if it's a 3.5, 4-star, 4.5 star, and then you're going to look at what the user reviews are, 7.5 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. So I'm in Wisconsin for my sister's wedding, so I'm going to use the hotel that she's staying in as the example. So I did this at the Godfrey Hotel in Chicago 3 nights ago, but here she's staying at a place with a resort, like a swimming pool and everything, and she wants to do her wedding here. So I needed to find this hotel, but not for $160 like she's getting. I found it for $55. All right, so here's how I did it. When you look at the screencast I'm about to post up, you're going to see that the Country Springs Hotel is a 2.5-star hotel with a user rating of 7.6 and the price of $129. Right below it, you see that there's an express deal. This makes it super easy to show you. It shows that there's a 2.5-star hotel with a user rating of 7 or plus and the total price of $55 or $56, and you're saving 56%. So what can we learn from this? The user rating of 7 plus means it's between 7 and 7.9. If it's 8 or 6 or 9.5, it won't show up, and it's only a 2.5-star hotel. So you can remove all the 3-star hotels, you can remove all the 4-star hotels. All the hotels that are 2.5-star with a rating of 8 or better or 6.9 or lower won't show up either, right? So we know those two. Now there's still a few hotels with these ratings. So how do we find if the Country Springs Hotel is the one that we're about to get? It's the price. So you see that $55 or $56 is 56% off. That means that the $55 or $56 is 44% of the final price. So what we do is we divide that number by 44 and then multiply it by 100. That's how you get back to the 100% price. And you'll see that's between like $125 or $130. Well, so is the Country Springs Hotel. This is the only hotel that has a similar price to that reverse engineered final price. So now that we know that out of the 3 that are left, Country Springs is the only one at that price point, so when we book it, we can confidently say we've got the right hotel. And I actually booked it, and I was correct. So I'm gonna load some screenshots now of our victory that we had. So now you can use this other places. I do this in Dallas all the time, or Fort Worth, or Houston. And the cool thing about it is once you find that hotel, next time you go on to Express Deals, Priceline will say, hint, you've booked this place before. So now you know exactly what hotel you're getting, and you don't have to do all this math. You don't have to do all this guesswork. So use this tip when you're traveling. If you can't find an Airbnb property that's at your price point and you're price sensitive, then Priceline Express Deals, and that's how you figure it out. So enjoy your trips, travel safely. I will see you on the other side.